Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 79,396 miles on the odometer. The AC is very cold. Going on a little test drive here. Shifts nice and smooth. Hitting the brakes here. Brakes feel awesome. I don't feel any vibration in the steering wheel or the pedals when you apply the brakes. The suspension feels good. The steering wheel is very slightly off center here, just by a few degrees. It's very, very subtle. Even on this side of the road. I'm seeing if the road was kind of changing it, but it's just very, very light off center. The car drives great. I have no complaints with drivability so far. Suspension feels good. It's going through all the gears nice and smooth. If you let go of the wheel, like I said, you're going to see it just a little bit and it wants to pull just a hair to the right. Other than that, this thing is beautiful. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at this wheel, it is chewed up with curb rash pretty much all the way around. While we're right here, date code on these tires is 2020. You can see that rash. The middle of the wheel looks good. Got a gash here, some scuffs. Little scuff there. Got a chip here. Little scuff there and there. That side mirror looks good. Little scratch there. A-pillar's clean. You do have some scuffs and chips there on the handle. That edge looks good. You can see that. You have 4 or 5 chips there. Scratch, a scratch, scratch and a scratch. So you're going to see those kind of down the door. Got a gash here, scratch there, and then if you get close, you're going to see these little chips just kind of all throughout. Got a larger one here. Just more chips kind of peppered throughout. Here on that lower side, you have some gashes right there. More chips, just all down that body line. A chip there. You have curb rash pretty much all the way around this wheel. And looking at the tire, I imagine, oh, the date code here is 2021. Roof looks good. When you get super close, you're gonna see the rock impacts and kind of like the webbing or spider cracking there. A couple chips, you got a gash there. Here and there. Overall, that hood looks good. A few rock chips here and there. You have some markings here. You have rash along that lower bumper. Then you have chips peppered all throughout that lower section. You have rash on the edge here. Around that, some gashes on the edge, typical chips. That headlight looks really good. here, you're gonna see a bunch of paint missing. Some more gashes. You have rash pretty much all the way around that wheel. Date code of 2021. There is a large dent here. It's creased there with some gashes. And then we have some body damage down the side here with some wrinkles in the door. A couple scuffs on that side mirror. A-pillar looks good. Here in this door, you do have body damage down that side, and it's wrinkled, so there's some creases in the metal. And some scratches there, chips here, more damage down that side, little scuffs here and there. That quarter panel looks good. This has some curb rash on it as well. Looking at that back bumper, it was backed into, it looks like here, so you have gashes, some paint peeling. And then you have damage down here, you have gashes. Here on the deck lid, there is a dent right there. Other than that, looks good. And here in the trunk, really nice in there. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now when you get close here, you're gonna see a little bit of wear. It's kind of dingy in some spots just from everyday use. Handle looks nice. You're gonna see the wear there. Typical scuffs. Get up close, you're gonna see the discoloration. You can see all of that is kind of wore off. Little scuffs here and there. That steering wheel looks amazing though. Very clean. That looks good. Upper side of the dash is nice. I don't see any scratches on the screen. Those buttons look good. And you have your typical wear right there. And then you have all the wear here. Here on the front right door panel, that's in great condition. Typical scuffs here. That floor mat looks really good. Leather here is nice. Couple markings. But overall that seat is really, really clean. This side of the console looks good. Glove box is clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. And here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. It's going to be hard to tell. That front seat was perfect. You can see the wear here. It is dirty, kind of dingy. So it has had some use, of course. That looks like it's missing the cap as well as there. So you can see those two there for like the child restraints. I don't see them in the car anywhere. You can tell there was a car seat here though. That's probably why just that edge is really dirty and most of that's pretty clean. They are heated seats back here. And the rest of that looks really good. Here on the back left panel, that looks good. And this seat is very similar like the other side. It is really dingy here and kind of dirty from just everyday wear and tear. You got the caps there. A couple indentions on the seat itself. I don't see any rips or tears though. I'm gonna scan through the engine bay here. And the underhood liner is in great condition.